nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I don't need your love, I don't need your heart. Was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being chained, done with your games, done being played for your entertainment. I'm not yours, 'cause you're nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I don't need your love, I don't need your heart. Was poison from.
Today's recipe is a special one because it comes from my mother-in-law. Most of you know that I work very closely with my mother-in-law as a recipe tester, and she also does some development for me these days and comes up with fun recipes to share, like this one-pot chicken piccata that is perfect for busy weeknights or anytime you don't want to be dirtying a bunch of dishes. My mother-in-law is an exceptional cook, but even more importantly, she is an exceptional teammate, and it has been such a joy to work alongside her and have our weekly calls and almost daily check-ins where we discuss the recipes she's testing. Tomorrow is her birthday, so everybody go wish Lisa a big happy birthday and be sure to tag her if you make this recipe. Cheers! Today's recipe is a special one because it comes from my mother-in-law. Most of you know that I work very closely with my mother-in-law as a recipe tester, and she also does some development for me these days and comes up with fun recipes to share, like this one.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away. Lately you don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you barely breathe.